Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Mateyena, and Mateyena is here for her hair transplant. And she has had a history of traction alopecia, and I'll have her talk a little bit about that. Mateyena, tell us about when you started noticing your hair loss.
I started noticing it like about in my late teens, and then it started progressively getting worse in my early 20s to mid 20s.
Okay. Do you think it had something to do with the way you were styling your hair?
Yeah, there was this hairstyle called micro braids, where they take just a little bit of your hair and some extensions, and it was just heavy.
Yeah.
And it was pulling my hair. And
this was as a teenager or even
like
the early 20s?
Yeah. And I feel like I abused that style. I did it so much to the point of no return.
It looked cool though, but at the time you didn't know, at the time you didn't realize it may have caused this in the future. So, all right, and tell us about your research. You know, how did you even know that this was an option? And tell us about how you got here.
Well, I went to work one day and I was fed up because I became a nurse, and I went to work, and I remember specifically talking to someone at work. It was about professional work, and I realized the person kept looking at my hairline, and it made me really uncomfortable. So basically I went home. Getting a hair transplant had been at the back of my mind, but because of that scenario, I went home and I started researching, and there was a lot of things were coming up, but I wasn't finding something that I could relate to. And I decided to become aggressive with my research. That's when I put in natural hair transplant for Black women.
Right.
And then as soon as I did that, your information popped up and a video popped up, and it sent me to YouTube, and I binge watched.
Got it. So that started the ball rolling, and that eventually got you here. Okay. Well, it's going to be a nice, easy day today. We're going to be doing some video clips throughout the day to show people how easy it is. You're super nervous, of course, and we talked about that. You're going to see at the end of the day, you're going to be, looking back saying, I can't believe I was so nervous. So, thank you so much for sharing your story, and we'll be checking in a little later.
Thank you.
All right, here with Mateyena, and we are just talked about her hairline, her edges, and as we drew this on, she got a smile on her face. She wanted to see if I could pick up the fact that she had a widow's peak in the front. As you can see, we're building in a widow's peak, nice and curvy all the way around, and you can see the temporal peak here, the temporal curve. So you can really see how that's going to reframe her face in a much better way than it is now with the hair. So, all right. Thanks again for showing everyone, and we'll be checking in after the next part. Thanks. Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Mateyena, and Mateyena at this point has had her strip removed. She's all sewn up in the back. She'd received one Valium, so she's feeling a little tired and sleepy and kind of feels good, but overall things are good. We haven't done anything in the front, but I wanted to show people the incision in the back. Again, we shave a little bit of hair away from either side of the suture line, but you can see how perfectly that came together. All the way around, very little bleeding. She has no pain in the back, right?
No pain.
No pain at all right now. She's actually probably going to take a nap as soon as we sit her back, and that's okay. So just wanted to check up and let everyone know it's easy stuff, and we'll check in again a little later. All right. Okay, Dr. Huebner here with Mateyena. We have just completed her surgery. She had a Hue procedure with us for her traction alopecia, and actually she was asleep for a lot of the surgery. She said, I was snoring, sorry, but that just goes to show you how relaxing it is. I mean, you really could fall asleep and take a nap if you wanted, but overall, tell us how your day was.
It was awesome. Everybody, the staff out there, they're so amazing.
Good. Yeah, everyone here is really nice.
Yes.
I'm going to show everyone what we've done, and you can really see this is that 2 to 3 finger width area around that frontal edge. And you can see now also her widow's peak, how cool that is. How that's gonna really reframe her face in such a nice way. All the way around here, same thing. Each one of those little bumps that you see represents multiple hair grafts. So cannot wait to see her results, and thank you again for sharing your day with everybody. I'm sure this is going to help someone else in their research. Thanks.
Great.
And the next video we have of you will hopefully be one of hair. Again, nothing's going to grow on her until about 4 months. People generally don't seem to be very happy with the density until about 6 to 8 months and a year to get a final result, but patience and it will pay off. And I'm very excited, and thank you for sharing your day.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.